Hey Juju and Strawberry Nicholas. I'm bored. I want to go to the movies or something.
Sure we can. Let's go.
Alright then, now let's go.
Welcome to the movies. What movie you want to watch?
Give us 2 tickets to see Pornhub.
David, we can't watch that. And you have to be 18 to watch that. You're only 11 years old. How about let's get 2 tickets to see Trolls?
No, Mom. I don't like Trolls. I want to watch Pornhub.
David, stop acting like a baby. We can see Trolls or we can watch nothing at all. Now look, everyone is looking at us.
Oh, I have a better idea. How you go across the street and get a diamond ring, so you can marry us here right now.
David, stop being like an idiot. Let's go home now.
Wah 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 wah. Mom, can we go back and get us 2 tickets to see Trolls?
Nope. You are grounded and we will get home and you're going to room and sleep.
Okay then.
Come on, bro. Let's go to see Deadpool.
Yeah, I love Deadpool. Now let's go.
Welcome to the movies. What movie you want to see?
Gives us 3 tickets to see Trolls.
Okay, have a nice day.
Hey Juju and Strawberry Nicholas, I have to use the restroom. Can you wait for me?
Okay, go ahead. Just take your time.
Thanks.
Now let's watch the movie.
I'm back. What did I miss?
Nothing else. LSanimate 123. You didn't miss anything.
Okay, just asking. Thanks guys for taking me to the movies. I have a lot of fun. By the way, I have to go home, so goodbye.
By LSanimate 123.
Let's go home, should we?
Yes, let's go.